B. Book budget. Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Mm.
A. In. Cat. Dog. Elephant. Hi. That's a saying.
But you have to tell me what's this word. What is this word, Precious?
Corn.
Good girl.
No. Oh, corn.
Yes.
I'm proud of you.
I'm proud of you.
No, I'm proud of you.
What's this word?
I'm proud of you.
Okay, thank you. What's this word?
Now.
Okay. What's this word?
Head.
Good girl.
Mouth.
Mhm.
Nose.
Mhm.
Little. Okay. Shoe.
Mhm. But you cheating. You can't open it.
Mammy.
Good girl.
What
What about this one? Yes, good girl. You have to come read it though.
Megan.
Awesome. Read it. You have to read the word, Precious.
I have to read it.
Yes.
Tongue.
Good girl.
Tiger.
Awesome.
Toe.
Awesome.
Yep. Apple.
Awesome.
Three.
Mhm.
Zero.
Awesome. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Say bye bye.
Bye bye. You too. I love you. Bye bye.
They love you, silly girl.
I love you.